Okay, complete the statement. Angle GDF, G to D to F right here. It is congruent to, well, what has the single mark, angle mark like angle GDF does. You can see this single mark right here. This one also has the single mark, so we can either call it angle EDF or angle FDE. EDF or FDE, that is C. Okay, these two angles right there. And 31, complete the statement. If the measure of angle GDF, which is what we were just talking about, is 54 degrees, then the measure of angle EDF, which has the same angle marks, meaning it's congruent, means it's going to have the same value as angle GDF, and it's also going to be 54 degrees. So 31 is B, and let's mark it, and we're done.